Happy Vlogmas, y'all. It's day 17. Cody and I are eating breakfast in our ugly sweaters. We're having an ugly sweater competition at work, and whoever has the ugliest one wins $50. And I'm just saying, I deserve $50. So I realized that I hadn't vlogged like at all today. So Cody and I are starting dinner for me, him, and Steph, and we're making this like herb pounded chicken that I found online. Sounds really good. It basically has like fresh thyme, fresh rosemary, lemon zest, balsamic vinegar, arugula. It just sounds real healthy since we ate pretty bad yesterday with all, you know, cookies, candies, chips, all the stuff. So we're gonna start making this, and I'll just kind of like tell you guys what we're doing as we go along. So I just zest a lemon, and now I'm chopping up the garlic, and Cody just chopped up the rosemary, or the thyme, rosemary? Thyme.
Time.
You don't want to be in my video?
I don't want to be in the way.
Oh, it doesn't matter. So in the bowl, we already put 1 tablespoon of oil, olive oil, and then we're going to be adding the lemon zest. So the zest of a lemon, the thyme, there's the thyme right here, and the rosemary. This is what it's looking like right now. We just have lemon zest, oh, it smells so good. It smells good. Lemon zest, olive oil, garlic, and then thyme. Cody's about to add the rosemary, and then we will get this going on our chicken. We're gonna pound it. We're gonna pound the chicken. Pinch of salt. It says big pinch of salt. It said big pinch of salt.
Big pinch.
A 4 teaspoons of red pepper flakes. So tiny. The more herbs, the better. Alright. So we just added the rosemary now, and then also the crushed red pepper flakes. So it smells really, really freaking good though. It smells bomb. So now we're gonna get a big bag to put the chicken in, and then mash it, smash it. And then with the chicken, I don't know if you guys do this or not, but I can't like eat the chicken out of the container like this. Like I think it's so gross, so I always rinse it off first. Do you guys rinse your chicken? Do you rinse your chicken, babe? So gross. Anybody who cooks their chicken like this fresh out the pack, y'all nasty. Nasty. We're putting the chicken into the bag. Now that the chicken is in the bag, we're going to put all of the mixture into the chicken bag. Don't screw this up, babe. We don't have a lot.
Wait.
Hey. You always frustrate me when I cook, because you don't do things the way you're supposed to do them. Okay. Cody hates me now because I yell at him every time we're in the kitchen together because he don't listen. But anyways, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the chicken and just start pounding it now. Are you done? Cody finished smashing up the chicken. It now looks like this, if you guys can see that. Looks really good. It's all covered in herbs. And then I'm heating up some oil. There's 2 tablespoons of oil left over. And then we also got green beans, even though this is gonna have like a side of arugula, because I just felt like we needed some vegetables. So I'm just gonna make some green beans as well. So this basically just says to cook it in the oil until nice and golden brown. Let me give you guys a little glimpse of what this is looking like. Looks really good. I think it's gonna taste super delicious. And now we have to start the arugula little salad thing. But I'll show you guys that when we get there. So the chicken is cooking up. We're getting it nice and brown, and now we're about to start the arugula little like side salad thing. So you're gonna take arugula, like 2 cups I think it says. And then we're gonna cut up a red onion. And we're going to use balsamic vinegar and oil for the dressing. I want to show you guys what the chicken looks like. Nice and cooked up. it's gonna be nice and juicy. Like you can already tell that it has lots of juices in it coming off here. But you don't want to cut it into them right away because you want them to just absorb all that juice. But look at how yummy. Okay. So this is some arugula, some onion. It says a tablespoon of oil, and then a teaspoon of balsamic. The balsamic is good, so I did more than a teaspoon. We're just gonna kind of mix it up because this is a little like, I want to say like a side salad almost that you're gonna put with your chicken. It smells really good. I just want to show you guys what it looks like now that it's done. So we just have green beans, the little arugula and onion, balsamic goodness, and then the chicken. Oh yeah, the lemon. Should we put it on the chicken or on the salad? I don't know. We'll just leave it on the salad. There we go. Okay guys, I'm ending the night for Vlogmas Day. What's today's date? Day 17?
Yep.
Day 17. I just started packing up for Arizona because we leave tomorrow, but we've been hooked watching Are You the One? Well, actually, Cody's playing chess, but I'm watching Are You the One?
Me on blast like that?
Yes. We're just gonna basically end this one here because I need to still edit. Like I haven't edited any of the last 2 days. This will be the 3rd day now, and also I'm done packing because I'm bored of it. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys mañana.
The next day.
Hello, my loves. Happy Friday. It's Friday the 18th. So right now I am on lunch. This is the first time I'm getting to film today because it's been extremely busy. But right now I'm basically just making Ayla a little bit of rice with pumpkin because she had a bone when we opened up her stocking on Wednesday that just did not sit well with her. It broke into a lot of pieces in which she consumed, and she was basically like whimpering so bad, more than I've ever heard her whimper before, and she was in a lot of pain. She threw up 3 times. Today she finally got a solid poop, so that is a plus, but we're still taking her to the vet before we head out to Arizona. Today I'm heading out to Arizona right now. I'm about to make lunch, edit my Vlogmas from the last 3 days because I haven't edited at all, and I have to finish packing. So while I eat, I'll edit, and then after I eat, I'll pack, but I only have an hour, so we're gonna try to get this all done, and then the goal is to try to leave after work, but I might have to do some initial or some like last minute packing, so we'll see how that all goes. And then Cody and I may have to stop at a Goodwill to look for stuff for an ugly sweater party, but we don't know. We'll see how this all goes out. We're just gonna try to do the best we can. Ayla, are you feeling better, baby girl? You got to eat some pumpkin and some rice. She always licks her arms after she eats. I have no idea why. Ayla, hey. Do you feel better? You got pumpkin on your lip. You got pumpkin on your lip. Crazy girl. No, she's just gonna lay down for a bit. You feeling better? Huh? She's tummy not hurting as much as it was, huh? She's weird. Okay guys, we just finished eating dinner. We had Firehouse Subs. It was delicious. But now we're gonna head out to Arizona. It is, I don't know what time it is because I don't have my watch because it needs to charge, but I'm assuming it's close to 6, so we're not gonna get there till like midnight. But yeah, packed up my stuff. Well, actually all of it's in the car. This is just my computers and stuff like that because I have to film some videos while I'm in Arizona. But yeah, today not very much going on. It was a busy day, so I'll probably be combining this with another day, and then tomorrow, since there'll be more time for stuff, I'll probably do a video all on its own. That sounds good. But yeah, we're gonna head out, and Ayla's coming with us. Oh, and she's feeling much better. I don't know if I told you guys. Oh, I did tell you guys what was going on. So braces are irritating me. Well, it's not even really my braces. I've eaten way too many like spicy chips and lime and things that I shouldn't because it cuts up my mouth, and so now my mouth is cut up and everything hurts. But we are seeing progress. Like these two teeth are finally coming, like they're down rather than out, and now they're working on moving these ones down. So it's pretty fabulous. I'm really excited about that. So I realized that in a lot of these videos, I am not ending them at the end of the day, and I really need to, because then you guys just kind of get left with me being like, oh yeah, this and that, and then the video ends. So, oh, don't mind me. In one of my other vlogs, I'll tell you guys that I didn't get my makeup off all the way. And I haven't showered yet today. I'm just editing because I need to catch up on videos, but this is where this comes up. I realized that in a lot of the videos, I didn't end them. So I'm going to try to add this as an ending to that last video. But yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching my Vlogmas. If you have been following me along every single day this month, it has been great. It's actually been a little bit eye-opening too, because now I know that like I can actually vlog every day without it being super hard or time consuming. I mean, it is time consuming, but it's a little bit easier when you're not really like trying to get some kind of set video out. You're just doing a vlog of your daily life. So it's fun, and I'm so glad that you guys are enjoying it, and I cannot wait for you guys to just continue to watch all of the vlogs for the rest of this month leading up until Christmas, which is in 5 days. So, but when you're watching this, it's like day 18, I think. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow.